Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to enable mono audio in Windows 11, which is a total lifesaver if you only have one earbud in or if you're using a single speaker. First, click the Start button and select the Settings gear icon. On the left-hand sidebar, ensure you are on the System tab, then click on Sound. You will see a toggle labeled Mono Audio. Simply switch this to On. You should notice the change instantly. Any audio playing will now sound centered rather than directional. Forward-thinking tip: Microsoft has added a dedicated accessibility shortcut to the Quick Settings panel to make this toggle even faster. Click the battery/Wi-Fi/sound icon. Click the accessibility button. It looks like a person in a circle. You can now toggle mono audio on or off directly from this menu without ever opening the full Settings app. This is perfect if you're constantly jumping between a full headset for gaming and a single earbud for taking calls or listening to podcasts while staying aware of your surroundings. And that's it! You'll never miss a beat, even with just one earbud. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.